Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Pickup Man on guitar. We'll start with the fundamental chords, G, C, and D, which are all you need for this classic tune. You won't need a capo, making it straightforward for beginners. This song is in the key of G major, providing a solid foundation for your country guitar journey. Let's get started with these essential shapes. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern to capture the song's authentic feel. A common pattern is down, 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 up, but remember that timing is key to the country rhythm. You'll want to aim for a tempo of about 143 beats per minute. Start slowly, focusing on a consistent, driving rhythm, and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Now, let's put those chords into action with the song's progression. The verses mainly cycle through G, C, D, and sometimes D7, creating a simple yet effective structure. The chorus introduces a slightly different sequence, moving from C to G, then C, D, D7, C, G, D, and finally back to G. Focus on making your chord changes fluid and seamless to maintain the song's flow. To master Pickup Man, consistent practice is essential. Begin by playing each section at a slow tempo, ensuring accuracy in your chords and strumming. Listen closely to the original recording to internalize the song's unique rhythm and feel. Even 15 minutes of daily practice can make a significant difference in your progress. Keep at it, and you'll be playing this classic in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.